Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing the remaining question of the exercise 6.5, that is question number 14, 15, 16 and 17. So let's start. Hey guys, welcome back. Before starting question number 14, I would like to inform you that we have started online tuition classes and the batches have already started. For the details regarding online tuition classes, you can mail me at my mail ID or you can DM me in my Instagram. So let's start the today's session. The 14th question says the perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersect BC at D. So perpendicular from A on side BC intersect BC at point D such that DB is equal to 3CD. DB is equal to 3CD. Prove that 2AB square plus 2AC square plus BC square. So they gave DB is equal to 3CD, this length. So we'll write the given part. Triangle ABC. AD is perpendicular to BC and they gave DB is equal to 3CD. To prove, that is 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Proof. First I am taking triangle ACD. So by Pythagoras theorem I can tell AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. So I'll be keeping AD square this side, taking that CD square to as minus. So AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. Let this be 1. Same way, taking triangle ABD in which angle D is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square. Same way, keeping AD square and DB taking as minus, so AB square minus DB square. So let this be 2. From 1 and 2, when you see 1 and 2, I can see AD square and AD square is common. So can I tell the right hand side will be equal? So AC square minus CD square is equal to AB square minus DB square. Now in the question you can see AB square is involved, AC square and BC square. So we have AC square, AB square and we have CD and DB. So we need to write in such a form so that we get in the form of BC. In the question they gave DB is equal to 3 CD and this CD is nothing but 1 CD, nothing but the ratio is 1:3. So can I tell CD is equal to 1 BC by 4. 4 is nothing but 1 plus 3. Same way DB is equal to 3 BC by 4. So substituting CD and DB here, so we get AC square minus, in place of CD, substituting BC by 4, the whole square is equal to AB square minus, in place of DB, substituting 3 BC by 4, the whole square. So AC square minus BC square by 4 square is 16 is equal to AB square minus 3BC square is 3 3s are 9 and BC square by 4 square is 16. So taking LCM we get 16 AC square minus BC square by 16 is equal to 16 AB square minus 9 BC square by 16. This 16 gets cancelled. So we get 16 AC square minus BC square is equal to 16 AB square minus 9 BC square. Taking this minus 9 BC square to that side as plus 9 BC square. So 16 AC square minus BC square plus 9 BC square is equal to 16 AB square So we get 16ac square minus 1 plus 9 is plus 8 bc square is equal to 16ab square. I have written the previous step. So we'll divide the equation by 8. So 16 by 8 is 2. So 2ac square plus 8 by 8 is 1. So 1 bc square is equal to 16 by 8 is 2. 2ab square. When you compare it with the 2 proof, we get 2ab square is equal to 2ac square plus bc square. Nothing but 2ab square is equal to 2ac square plus bc square. So we'll rewrite as 2ab square is equal to 2ac square plus bc square. So we proved, hence proved. The 15th question says, in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. So we'll draw an equilateral triangle. Now we'll write the given part. This be A, B, C. Given as triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Let the side be A. So we are keeping the side of the equilateral triangle as A. Now they gave D is a point on side BC. There is a point D. They gave BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. So we have taken side as A. So BC is A. A into 1 is A. So A by 3. So we got BD as A by 3. And what will be CD? It is nothing but 2a by 3. The total is 3 parts. One part is this, the remaining part is 2, so 2a by 3. To prove, we need to prove 9ad square is equal to 7ab square. Now proof. We need to draw an altitude such that it is perpendicular to BC. Let this be AE. So AE is altitude of triangle ABC. So can I tell BE is equal to EC? They both are equal. So can I tell it is BC by 2. BC side is A. We have taken side as A. So A by 2. Now altitude of equilateral triangle. The formula is root 3 by 2 into side. So here the altitude is AE is equal to root 3 by 2, side is A. So root 3 by 2A. Now when you see triangle ADE, we got AE and now we need to find DE. So DE is equal to BE minus BD. This total BE minus this BD, I'll get DE. So we know BE is what? So BE is A by 2. A by 2 minus BD is given, that is A by 3. So the LCM is 6. So into 3, so we get 3A. Into 2, we get 2A, which is equal to A by 6. We got DE is equal to A by 6. Now, taking triangle ADE, by applying Pythagoras theorem, can I tell AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square? So AD square, let this as it is, and instead of AE, we'll be substituting root 3 by 2A, root 3 by 2, the A whole square, plus DE is what? It's A by 6. So A by 6, the whole square. So root 3, A the whole square. So root 3 square is 3, A square by 2 square is 4. Same way A square by 6 square is 36. So taking LCM, 4 comma 36, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 9s are 18, 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 1s are. So 2 2s are is 4, 3 3s are is 9, 9 4s are 36. So 36 is the LCM. 4 into 9 is 36. So into 9, 9 3s are is 27 A square into 1 into 1 plus 1a square is equal to AD square. So we get AD square is equal to 27a square plus 1a square is 28a square divided by 36. So cross multiply, we get 36 AD square is equal to 28a square. So divided by 4, we get 36 by 4 is 9 AD square is equal to 28 by 4. 4 sevens are 28, so 7a square. In the question, in the 2 proof, they gave 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. So we got 9 AD square is equal to 7a square. A square is nothing but side. So we'll be writing 9 AD square is equal to 7. So we'll be taking side AB. So AB square. So we got the 2 proof. So hence proved. The 16th question says, in an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitudes. First, we'll draw the diagram. We need to draw an equilateral triangle. Let this be A, B, C, and also we need to draw an altitude. So let this be AE. First, we'll write the given part. Triangle ABC is an triangle, and we'll keep the side as, so let side be A, and also A is altitude of triangle ABC. To prove, now we need to prove 3 times the square of one side. So 3 times one, we'll be taking one side square is equal to 4 times, so 4 into square of the one of its altitude. So altitude the whole square. In our case, we'll be taking the side as AB. So 3AB square is equal to altitude is AE. So 4AE square. So we need to prove 3AB square is equal to 4AE square. Proof. We know AE is altitude and the total side is A. So can we know BE is equal to EC because A is altitude. So this BE will be A by 2. Same way EC will be A by 2. So BE is equal to EC is equal to A by 2. Now taking triangle ABE, which is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square, and we know the sides of the equilateral triangle is A. So in place of AB, substituting A, so A square is equal to AE square plus BE is A by 2 the whole square. A square is equal to AE square plus A square by 2 square is 4. So now taking this A square by 4 to that side as minus A square by 4. So AE square is equal to A square minus A square by 4. Taking LCM we get 4. So into 4 we get 4A square minus A square. So AE square is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3A square by 4. Cross multiply we get 4AE square is equal to 3A square. So A is what? Side A, AB. So 4AE square is equal to 3AB square. We have proved what they have asked in the question. Nothing but 3AB square is equal to 4AE square. 3AB square is equal to 4AE square. So rewriting 3AB square is equal to 4AE square. We proved, so hence proved. The 17th question says, stick the correct answer and justify. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter, AC is equal to 12, and BC is equal to 6, the angle B is 120, 60, 90 and 45 degree. They gave three sides of a triangle. AB is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter, AC is equal to 12 centimeter and BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Here the longest side is 12 centimeter. 12 square is 144 centimeter square and other two sides are, one is 6 root 3 centimeter and one is 6 centimeter. So sum of the squares of other two sides, so sum plus 6 root 3 the whole square and plus 6 square is equal to 6 square is 36 into root 3 square is 3 plus 6 square is 36. So 6 into 3 is 6 3s are 18, 1 3 3s are 9 is 10 plus 36. So 108 plus 36, 8 plus 6, 14, 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So 144 centimeter square. Here you can see we got 144 centimeter square is equal to 144 centimeter square. So here can I tell triangle ABC is a right triangle. So we got 12 square is equal to 6 root 3 square plus 6 square. Triangle ABC is right triangle and angle B is equal to 90 degree. So here the option is C. So exercise 6.5 completes here and also the triangles chapter completes here. Do practice all the theorem and all the exercise problems of this chapter because this chapter has a total weightage of 8 marks in your board exams. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my videos and share this with your friends and spread the knowledge. Thank you. Jai Hind.